Hello. Oh my God, are you? There we go. Okay. Shalou here from Barrie, Ontario, Canada. Just hopping on to keep my commitment of the 33-day live. This is day 2. I'm at the restaurant today. As you can see, the little salad picture behind me. I thought I'd hop on and share with you, well, first of all, that in November, end of November, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th, I will be hosting a healing circle here in Barrie. It is going to be fantastic, and we only have 16 spots. So if you're looking to heal yourself, then you want to get on there real quick. Just today, I was witness to a conflict between two individuals, and as I stood back and just observed, instead of getting involved, instead of getting judgmental, it was a matter of just observing, okay, what is going on, right? And it's crazy how we are all just reacting from our pain bodies, right? Do you get offended easily? Do you think people are undermining your authority? Do you think that people are trying to make you look bad? Why do your thoughts go there, right? Why is it that we can't stay calm when something is presented to us and take a deep breath and then go, okay, this is how I want to approach this? It's really interesting that I just see the journey and the healing that I have done causes me to now be able to take the time to take a deep breath and actually respond instead of react. Because it's in that place of reaction that all the things go wrong, right? It's in that place when you're just reacting that you'll tend to say stuff or behave in ways that are not necessarily your true authentic self. What is your true authentic self even, right? Do we know? Do we know what, who and what we are, right? In today's society, everyone is just so busy running, right? We're just running to pay the bills. We're running to take care of our families. We're just running all the time. Do we take the time to even find out who and what we are? What do you stand for, right? Many times I'll ask people a question and they'll be able to very easily tell me what they don't want. But they won't be able to perfectly articulate with a deep focus as to this is what I do want, right? This is what I stand for. This is who I am, right? And all of that is so important, because if you can't do that, then we become, like that, what do they say? They go, the stone that gathers no moss. Whichever way it's kicked, right? It's just, whatever company we're in, that's the way we'll go. But is that really you? Is that really what you stand for, right? And so the BraveHeart Healing Circle, it starts to give you the tools so you can start chipping away at those aspects of yourself that no longer serve you, right? Those aspects of yourself that are there because you were a people pleaser, or that you just wanted to fit in, or you just needed the love. So it's really, really important to take the time and sit with yourself and go, who and what am I? What do I stand for? What are my values, right? I mean, there's a word, values, right? Do we even have value for ourselves to know what our values are? A couple of things that you will get in the BraveHeart Healing Circle that I think are absolutely amazing. I mean, every day I'll just share a little bit of what will what will be presented to you, is you will get a non-surgical treatment. If you want to get a heart release done, that would be the option. If you don't want to get the heart release done, then you can have another body part worked on. What is a heart release, right? Our heart it holds all the pain, right? It holds every emotion that we've ever felt. And I know for me, that was my first treatment. And oh my God, unless you've had this body work done, you will not know what it can do for you, right? And It's something you just have to experience to even be able to appreciate it. It is the most powerful body work in the world. And it's not something that someone can tell you, oh, this is in there. You will actually feel the calcification. You will feel the scar tissue. You will feel the crystallization. But you know what? You will also benefit from and feel the release. You know, when we talk about issues in your tissues, you will feel that release of those issues. You will feel the release of the pain. You will feel the benefits of feeling so much freer and happier. And it's like someone took the weight off, right? Because we are emotional beings and we store the unprocessed emotions in our tissues. So, you know, it is the most profound body work that I have ever come across, and I believe it's the most profound body work in the world. So you really have to experience it to know the benefits it can bring. So again, I'm going to be hosting along with Lori Foxhall. She's going to be my co-host, and we're going to host the first BraveHeart Healing Circle here in Barrie at the end of November. If you have any questions or concerns, or want to know more about it, you can go to braveheartnation.com. All the lists and information is there, or you can call me 705-828-2257. I look forward to connecting, hearing from you, and offering whatever help I can in getting the answers for you. If I don't have them, I know where to get them. I'll get them and get it to you as soon as I can. So again, are you ready to heal yourself? Are you ready to connect with yourself? Are you ready to love yourself? And then really start living your best authentic life ever. I love you. Have a beautiful day.